Before you watch this video, please make sure to go to my channel and click on playlists. Then from the playlists, select Forex Scalping Strategies. Click on the Scalping Strategies and then you will find here one video called the best Forex Scalping Strategy explained in details along with Forex price action. Please watch these two videos in order to understand the strategy that you are about to watch in this live trading video. Hello and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So I think this is gonna be one of the most important live trading videos ever posted on the channel. I think it's gonna be highly informative to everyone who actually want to learn more about my style in trading. The reason, of course, because I'm using today the strategy of combining the trend lines along with the support and resistance. And of course, for those who did not watch this video right here, please proceed and watch it, my friends. This is really important and it's going to enlighten you more about the trend lines. Find the perfect buy and sell in Forex using trend lines. This is highly informative video. It's just a 28 minutes video, which is going to actually change your entire look in the market. I mean, you're gonna actually be able to find really good setups, and you will actually be able to place better buy and sell orders. And of course, we need to combine that with the support and resistance. Now, the beautiful thing here is we don't really need to go to the 4-hour time frame. Since we are just scalping, aiming like between 10 and 15 pips, we can safely use the 15 minutes time frame alone. You can of course use the 4-hour time frame just to know the direction of the market if you are actually aiming bigger amount of pips, but I mean 15 minutes alone is actually enough. So let me just explain to you the reason why did I open this trade before recording. Let me start from scratch. So again, the reason to open this trade is by simply looking at the support that we are having right here, that support trend line. If I connect this line right here, as you can see, check this out. Now, perfect. Now connecting, 1 second, my friends. Now connecting the support trend line from this lower low to this higher low to this higher low. As you can see, this was the consistency of a trend line level. Then we had hit a bearish breakout from that level of a support trend line. And right here, the market has confirmed that it's actually retesting that level, and that bearish candle which has appeared confirmed to me the entry that we can safely start shorting the AUD CHF right now. And check this out, I'm already running in profit so far, in about $34 of profit. Now, since the market has actually made here the bearish reversal upon the pressure from that support trend line, now we can see the new the born of a new resistance trend line, which means the market right now is most likely going to continue the fall at least till it reach that level of a support. That's exactly what we have explained in that video. And therefore, I have placed my take profit level to be exactly right here at the nearest support to our entry. Never ever ignore this rule. Whenever you are actually opening a trade, make sure that your take profit level is always placed at the nearest support or resistance to your entry. Don't ever be greedy. Don't aim bigger profits than you can actually get. Just aim what you can make actually, what you can safely get from this trade, and just get out as soon as possible. So far, my friends, in almost $54 of profit. Fantastic. I'm so happy about it. Heart beating fast. I know, guys, it's a small amount. I'm totally aware, but that's my budget for trading. That's my capital. Out of about $2,700. Gaining $50 or $100 from each trade is actually very satisfying to me, and that's actually my daily target. To aim between $50 and $80, maybe $100 from each scalping trade. If I open between 6 to 7 trades per day, it's gonna be fine and very profitable. Of course, I cannot win all of them, so sometimes I actually lose half of them, sometimes I lose some of them, but eventually I end up in profit. The strategy is so good, but of course we cannot trust the market every single time. Therefore, we have to be always prepared for any potential losses. Anyway, I will pause now the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Everything is running well so far, my friends. $87. I think I will close it right now. No need to risk losing it. 87, fantastic. Okay, 88. My hand. Oh, yes. 95. 95, 95, 95, 95, 95, 95. Thank God. Thank God. Excellent, 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 excellent. We have made the profit. Actually, let me tell you why I was actually really nervous about this trade, because I have opened it actually in the midway right here. Those who are following me long time, they know that I usually aim to open the trade at the exact location, or the exact, sorry, location. I mean the exact level of the sell or buy. I have opened the trade here very late. There was of course a chance that the market might actually reverse and hit the stop loss and then goes back again in profit. So actually really I was nervous about this trade. I was really thinking to close it in loss, or actually in small profit I mean, but looking at the 5-minute time frame, that candle has changed everything. Obviously the market was actually going to continue the fall. Fantastic. We started the day with about $95 of profit. Actually, I need to reduce the lot size. I'm not happy with this lot size. 1 is enough. 1.3 might actually be a little bit risky. All right, so let's continue on the 15-minute time frame. Let's try to find some decent setups, and of course I will do the same what I did before in that trend lines video. I'm going to draw here a trend line from this lower high to this lower low, and then I will just simply clone the same resistance trend line, and you can actually see right here, exactly right there, that we're having right now a resistance trend line which has been broken out from, and right now the market is actually retesting the broken level of a resistance trend line. Now of course we cannot just blindly do that. We need to confirm on the left side if there was a support on that level. I think yes, there was a support. Wait a minute. Pound JPY, we need to reduce the lot size even more than that. 0.70. Just to be safe. Place the buy order. Fantastic. Immediately place the stop loss. See? That's the reason I reduced the lot size. Oh. Okay. That's actually gonna cost us a lot of pips. A lot of money actually. Okay. The stop loss actually is gonna be about $127. Actually, again I'm nervous now. Let me just explain to you, my friends. Let me just delete. Oh, no need to delete. Or let's delete this line. No need for this. Okay, so what I have what I have seen right here, that resistance trend line, we can see that the market has indeed respected that level of a resistance trend line. Then immediately the market has made here the bullish breakout from that level of a resistance trend line. Now, if we look at the left side, we can notice that right here we had a strong key support level. This was of course the respecting of that level of a support, which means that the market has actually a potential to respect that level again as a support. So this was right here support number 1. This was a fake breakout, and this was the real level of a support, and that was the first attempt of the real support. As you can see right now, we are in profit. Good. I think this trade is going to be a good one. Now another way to see that is of course if we draw here a support trend line and check this out. I think this is perfection. We are also having here this support trend line which has been repeatedly respected, and now as you can see, my friends, all these signs together tells us that the pound JPY is actually going to continue the rise from this point. So far in $13 of profit. I'm really thinking to close it because I just don't feel good about it. Something about, even though I just analyzed it in front of you, I explained it, but still something tells me to avoid. Actually, my friends, let me just tell you something. Currently, in the last 4 months, I am in a bad relationship with the Japanese yen. It's a crazy currency. I mean, it's rarely respecting my analysis. USD JPY, Pound JPY, NZD JPY, all of them actually rarely respecting my analysis. So no matter what I do, I always fail trading the JPY. So that's why I'm feeling nervous about this one. I mean, everything is fine, the analysis is fine, but still, it's a JPY. It's a Japanese yen. So okay, just until this trade finish, let me just go through the weekly analysis signals. As you can see, the pound USD so far is running actually in the break even. It has been triggered. AUD USD has actually been triggered and running currently in about 20 pips of profit. USD CAD hasn't been triggered. USDJPY has actually reversed from the given level to start buying, currently running in about 113 pips of profit, total of 164 pips of profit. I hope you guys have taken this signal and have enjoyed the profits. I mean, this is one of the rare times the USDJPY respects my analysis, which is really fantastic. USDCHF seems like it's falling without reaching our sell area. The gold also started the reversal just like 25 pips before reaching our entry. Perfect! Perfect. $63. That's fine. I'm fine with it. I think, yes, $62 of profit. Fantastic. What a day. Okay, what a day. So far, everything is running well. Let me just clear something, guys. I rarely also find setups this fast. Usually, I need to pause the recording to find the setups, but I mean, today is on fire. I mean, I don't know what's happening. The market today is really in high volatility. A lot of setups are actually appearing. And let me now continue trying to find another good setup. Pound USD, AUD USD. I don't want to trade the USD pairs. This one seems good, I think. Let me check something. Okay, perfect. And another perfect. All right, so we are having here that level of a resistance trend line is most likely going to be respected. We had here in the middle that fake breakout, and also we're having here that support trend line, which has recently been broken out from. So that price action indicates a continuation in the momentum. Therefore, on the AUD CAD, I think if I place my sell order right here, we can actually expect to make about, I would say about 10 pips of profit, and the stop loss is going to be about 10 pips as well. I think it's going to be good. Confirm. This candle still has about 2 minutes for the closure. All right, 0.70. Let me just increase it a little bit. For the AUD CAD, 0.90 should be fine. I don't want to go lot size, one lot on this trade. And the reason I'm not going lot size, full lot size on it is because I just want to. All right, sell. Place the stop loss is the first thing. Fantastic. Okay, $77. That's fine. We can risk that. Hoping to aim about $67. Again, that's totally fine. I'm fine with it. And as you can see, instantly in profit. Fantastic. Everything is going well. Guys, really, today is fast. I'm admitting here, today is fast, and I'm lucky. I'm so lucky today to find these setups immediately without pausing the video. That's really great. I didn't expect that. Usually I trade, then I stop trading for a while, then I check the market, hopefully to find something. Actually, let me just tell you something also. The reason for being late to find setups was my fully relying on the 4-hour time frame. I was really relying on it so much. I mean, maybe I need to make a new video now about the 20 pips a day strategy, since the 4-hour time frame is no longer my top priority as before. In the past, I used to open the 4-hour time frame to look if I'm on a support or a resistance. Then I will decide if I want to place the sell or the buy on the 15-minute time frame. The reason, okay, that's good. That's a very good, reliable strategy. But the problem is it takes really long time to find the setup. That's the only disadvantage of it. But now using the trend lines and support and resistance without looking at the 4-hour time frame, just fully based on the 15-minute time frame, has actually proven to be a very powerful and strong strategy. For example, if I was to rely on the 4-hour time frame here, I would actually never thought to place sell order. I would actually look at the chart this way. So we are having here a support. And I would actually assume that we can actually start buying here, since we are actually on a support zone. If we look, of course, at the 4-hour time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame. I would actually have said that we are having here a previous resistance, and we can place here a buy order. Now, the thing is, this is correct. You have to consider buying the market right here. But since you are a scalper, you're a scalper. You're just a scalping, aiming 8 to 10 pips, maybe 15 or 20 pips. So the market will actually move that much. If you place sell order right here, considering that we are having here a support trend line which has been broken out from, and now we are witnessing the born of a new resistance trend line, then it's not a bad idea to place here the sell order and make your take profit level exactly at the nearest support to your entry. And by that, you actually can make some good profits immediately without the need to wait for a long time for the trade to be activated. Anyway, if we lost this trade, I'm totally fine. No problem. We are still in profit and we can easily recover. So let me now please pause the recording and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Alright, so actually I don't feel so much comfortable about this trade. I want to get done with it. I will close it now, right now with a very tiny small profit and break even. The reason, my friends, is I don't see here a strong momentum. Actually, the bearish momentum is not that strong. The candle has actually been ranging for a really long time and I started to lose faith in it, and therefore I decided that better let me just close it and get done with it. I mean, now check this out. Now it's falling, of course. I don't care what's gonna happen later. Let's now try to find another setup. I will just select again one lot size and let's now try to find any good setup. Now you might see me scrolling between the pairs very fast. For example, this one I'm ignoring it because the market right now is actually in the middle between resistance and support. We want to see something tells us that the market indeed gonna be retesting that level of a support trend line, for example, retesting a level of a resistance trend line. We need to see the market, my friends, on a clear level that it's gonna either continue to rise or fall, and that cannot be actually seen right here. Therefore, I'm just scrolling between the pairs. I want to find a good reversal point. So far, nothing here. I don't want to make the video boring. I mean, I need to find something here, otherwise we'll just pause the recording. Yeah, that is normal now. I was really lucky in the first 3 trades. I think I was indeed lucky. Now we cannot find actually anything. We cannot find anything. All right, I will pause the recording and I'll be back to you, my friends, once I find the next setup. All right, a very promising setup approaching here for the euro pound, and I believe I'm going to place the buy order with a 1 lot size, which seems actually a good and convenient trade. I think I will place the buy order right now. Fantastic, fantastic. Okay, good. We are only risking about actually you can even make it less than that. I mean, $75 only. That's fantastic. Hoping to aim about 85, I think, or $90. $90. Now let me of course tell you the reason behind this trade, and of course I will delete the entire lines. Now for the euro pound, as we can see, my friends, on the 15-minute time frame, we are having here that resistance trend line, which has recently been broken out from. As you can see, that was the bullish breakout from that level of a resistance trend line, and of course we can easily see that the market is actually falling right here to retest the broken level of a resistance trend line to create, of course, a new support trend line. Add to that right here actually we're having a very strong key support level, which actually should help us to continue pushing the market to continue in going in our direction. And add to that also, which is more important, that support trend line right there. So what you will do now is simply drag the very same support trend line and place it, as I have mentioned earlier in that video, and place it right there at the nearest resistance trend line. As you can see, this was of course the nearest resistance trend line, and check this out, the market is exactly right there. So this level has a potential right now to continue the bullish reversal. So as you can see, my friends, that level actually tells us that right now we're having here a real level of a support, and then we had here that one fake breakout, and now that level of a real support is most likely gonna be respected. Now, of course, for the take profit level, I had to place it right here at the nearest resistance to my entry, and of course the stop loss. The stop loss should be the same, but I don't really need that. I mean, my analysis says that the reversal should occur actually exactly right here at that point. I mean, setting the stop loss way much more bigger than that. Setting a bigger stop loss is just not necessary at all. It's just not required. Anyway, things seems to be good so far. Let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Alright, so as we can see, my friends, this trade actually was going well in profit of about $40. The reversal has occurred exactly right there. As you can see, the market has reversed exactly from that point. I was actually about to close this trade in profit of about $40, but I thought, no, I believe in my strategy, I believe in my skills, and I will keep the trade running. And as we can see, the trade has went in the opposite direction. Now, I want to prove the power of my strategies. Check this out. It happened right in front of you without me pausing the video. That's really great. Listen, as you can see, the actual reversal has occurred exactly right here at that line which I have drawn earlier, connecting that level of a resistance trend line together and seeing that bullish breakout candle. And now the market has actually created right here the new support trend line. So indeed, this strategy, my friends, is so powerful. It can give you the exact levels of the reversals, and you can actually rely on it to gain a lot of pips in your daily tradings. Excellent. I'm really hoping for it to be in good profit. So therefore, let me now again pause the recording, and I'll be back to you again later. And of course, the trade is going well, my friends. We are in $50 of profit, as we can see. I admit it, we are just in 4 pips or 5 pips of profit, but still the market going in the right direction as we have predicted. And as we have said earlier, the reversal has occurred exactly on that level of a previous resistance trend line, and of course a new support trend line. So $48-50, I'm gonna take it and accept it, because I don't see the market has any potential to continue to rise more than that. And $46, guys, this is amazing. Under less than 1 hour, we have made more than $200 of profit for today. Of course, I am not done yet trading. Of course, right now it's 3 p.m. Dubai time. I might actually continue trading after like 1 hour. Actually, it depends on the setups. Check this out. Now the candle is falling. I'm glad we closed this trade earlier. So anyway, my friends, I will stop trading for now. I think I'm pushing my luck way too much. I mean, I'm taking the trades very quickly. Not to mention, of course, that today, actually, the USD banks are on holiday in the observation of of the memorial of Martin Luther King. And as we can see, these signals which I have sent to you on YouTube, I hope you guys have taken these signals, because actually almost all of them running in profit right now. USD CAD hasn't been triggered. The USD running in about 130 pips of profit. USD CHF not yet triggered. The gold has reversed before the entry. So everything is going well. So again, I hope you guys have enjoyed this live trading session. I will continue trading, of course. And if I was in a good mood and the ability actually to make another video, I will make another video for today showing to you how I will end the day. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.